Radio Democracy go talk to Madam Aissata Abdullahi Kamara, when are the first woman for big running mate na the March 7, 2018 election under the ADP party. And today inside the program, you go know what one report where the National Elections Watch new don't pull but waiting them fair not and the symbol awarding process where different political party them don't they do all over the country. This and plenty other story them dey for you in the program. Plus you will hear from Mary Yabonet Conte, where now the person where the Citizens Democratic Party CDP give symbol for be mayor na the Makeni City Council. When they come over to the studio guest now, and the first studio guest this morning, na the first female vice president aspirant for the 2018 general election, where the ADP party give symbol. And we get the pleasure now for welcome now the studios Aissata Abdullahi Kamara. Well, good morning once more and welcome to the program.
Good morning, Asma. Thank you for
yesterday we see the ADP party call you as the running mate under Mr. Kamari Mansai. Tell me if one go have follow Udana Aissata Abdullahi Kamara.
Asma, thank you. The first thing first, I want to tell the ADP membership, the executive, and the able leader, thank you first for where they give me this opportunity for can be a running mate for South Sierra Leone at the highest level. I tell them thank you and I appreciate them. And I feel say with the help of God Almighty, I will be able to deliver the best way I can able to give. This Aissata Abdullahi Kamara not just an ordinary person we come up from a very humble family background. I born Afrobe community. By my tender age, my auntie take me from any carry me go Kono. I go school day. I get for come back now. I go RC Girls School. Later I pass me. Then I been selective entrance we been get. I think I pull one of the best results for the East that day at his younger stage. But me not be even value. I go secondary school now, KGSS, Koidu Girls Secondary School. By the time I reach from 2, cannot be reach at the peak way, girl picking up the land book. Most of them the money be make picking and not the land book. So my papa say, let me come back Freetown. I attend FSSG. I did it say I sit me O level then. I go Njala University. I go study home economics for 4 years. I come back na Freetown. I begin teach na Bishop Johnson Memorial School. Take the work camp for reasons. I been there for 1 away go Guinea for safety because my life been in danger. The person we made to been dey close we been dey try for sensitize people in suffer bad thing against the NPRC. So maybe 1 away. I go Guinea, I go open we call them in French say Saint Lucrafio attend you. That's a life skill. I be they teach people how to make garata dying, for how to make here. Then they get me small shop. I be they teach that life skills there. Accommodate. I come back with away the world still the 1999 January 6 come meet me here. This January 6 come meet me here, but still a day I continue for teach during that period day. Then Mr. Labor say no. He say I want you for let go teach now and watch because nobody not be there at the time. So from 1999 December, I teach now and watch stay to 2017 I resign. Then I think say I be done back baku other work then na the community. So if I say I talk about myself, baku, so I last stop and the first. At least now that I don't do.
From the teaching profession to politics, where can you go inside politics?
Well, as my everybody not a politician, and one way or the other, inside your own self politics they play there. Because we get 3, 4, 5 people in there, you get for play politics between them for they harmonize. When I be the college, I think say I been get say politics wait for how no more go bring can change in this country. So with the college, I was Minister of Transport then, Deputy Minister of Transport then. I see what you do, I will be try for make then that the college follow we go able for live that way the way before say at least now. So then a university for day. Then they spear me up to it be there in me. But me daddy can always say politics is something that is bad. Something is bad, something aggressive. But I tell and say no, daddy, I think say this thing they within me because the urge they come and me say contributes to that. So he said, okay, well teach. That in a one way for like contributing to society. But still the thing they in me. I know what's the thing they go wrong. We are get way for writing them and not do them. It ain't me. So I say, okay, if I don't do this thing, let be national. Let not be no more a subset of a set. Let be national. So I see the way Kamarima Mansari can waiting ideology. I go in, I interview and waiting in car, waiting new in one bring kana Sierra Leone. Waiting at the things the way he say in go able for do for turn the mindset of the Sierra Leonean and for improve this country. I feel say wait the thing when give me convince me say okay I will join this wagon. If not that na you dream, na Sierra Leone come first. I will join you follow we see. How will we able to turn the table around from Sierra Leone for be waiting in B now and improve and so that we say we need for compete at the international world as not an underdeveloped country but a developing of if possible we move on to a developed country.
So Madam Kamara, this announcement from Mona party leader yesterday where it be happened for appoint you as a mate, it came as a surprise to you?
Very. So I not even know waiting to go on because when in camp and decision making, he can call me. But this trip, even Brown can't to me notice.
How long you don't at the party?
I don't at the party. Now we almost formed the party we come because from the day we then I did it when it was a movement, then I candidate when the movement become a political party. So now we've been going to PPRC, even go to receive the certificate we then give me. This thing will come as a surprise to me. I just see that they call me say, Madam said Jen come, Madam said Jen come, Madam said Jen come. So I say, why this call? Yes, I know say we get a press conference, we running late today. So I say, okay, like we're waiting, something they will go. So I go, now somebody in me say, he say they want to make you on me too. I say, So now lost the back. What lost? Now say if that they happen, then can make me on. Wait, I go for tell the people there. So I go for squeak. Somebody who educated, we know the issues of this country. I put 1, 2, 3 down. I can. Then me they even forget say me don't forget. On my they call me now. So then my husband say go. I say this thing confuse me. So I go. On my they say no now. Excellency. So I go. I was astounded. I was flabbergasted. I see heavens just descend on me. So I was so happy because in that kind of capacity there, I feel say whatever thing I get for do if we become successful, they go down history say there was a woman who contributed greatly in making Sierra Leone a better place for Sierra Leoneans.
Madam Kamara, somebody who don't they follow Mr. Kamarimba in political life since he came back home from the United States, he began showing interest into politics. Go don't they see you being say you know one party people we don't they stand by in happy times and in trial times. And most people see say this you an appointment we give to you as in only mean a compensation.
No, I'm not sure saying a compensation. Khadija, you there? Now this job you do. Because you are so interested in your job, you go all out for give out the best. So for any appointment with them, you whatever capacity you they act, just do your best. When you do your best, there is reward. You do bad, reward the come. You do good, reward the come. But I feel say when you put giving everything you have, you put on everything that you are serving Sierra Leone. Let me take and say, now Sierra Leone, this is about Sierra Leone. This is not just about a political party. You are serving Sierra Leone. And when you work, you need somebody when you are able for work together. You need somebody when before say, know your ideology. know exactly what you dey do. People in the way more qualified past me. But because I was Secretary General then, I'm not saying I be the administrative head of my party. What I get for do? I get for save me party. I get for do the best I get for do for do in trying times, in happiness. So I feel say everybody, wherever you dey, even if in a charcoal you dey sell, put all your interest in selling that charcoal. At least you will get a result. I feel say Kamaremba be do in scouting, in do waiting. If he say he go do let say he just come in and pick somebody. I sure say he must do consultation with people because if as the appointment happen, the amount of diaspora telephone calls they were, I not sleep till 1 o'clock at 9 and say shut off this phone. So everybody is just congratulating me. If I had been that person, when not they deliver service, I feel say the cry down, the pulling down syndrome before don't start just as of yesterday where this thing did happen.
Right, congratulations, Madam Aissata Abdullahi Kamara.
Thank you.
We are running mate to Mr. Kamara Mansai of the ADP. We continue the program Good Morning Salon, and we come over again to another woman, very strong woman, where the CDP party give symbol for being mayor Namakeni City. Madam Marie Yabonet Conte, good morning again.
Good morning, madam. How are you?
Very well. You get symbol for the mayor na Makeni City. How you get the news? How you say feel when you get the symbol?
Well, now the way first because I be there free tongue on medication, where the delegation can meet me, a group of women them, youth them, religious people them. They say they want to lead me to the leader for the CDP party. And I say, why me? And why CDP? And they say, we don't see you work, we don't do Namakeni. If nobody now acknowledge you, who want to give you that reward, who want to reclaim your glory back? Now I say, I have to wait for my man. So they call me man come and tell her, my man no be wala put on politics anymore. Yeah. He say, because you know, I say, but no go listen. So I give them time, then come the other day. So we go to the leader in house. We go there, the way we welcome, we talk to we. You know, waiting they talk all it like say if we don't get a reshout about me, say are they for the grassroots people are they for the rural people and are for the poor people and that's they know back me they preach to me. So I feel church because even in my activism in them they call me who are Roman. So who come home, I tell me man, I say Lord delegate this thing into prayer. So I keep fast. So fast, but since I get ulcer now till 12 o'clock now I cut. So where I cut at 6 a.m. there is a room for me. Every doors open for me. Now the calling, now the right calling. Because the other political party will be the meeting, but like cannot be immediately I don't even stay for quiet. They say no, I just want to keep quiet first. But like then day I give a room, all the process when I go through, I just feel say this is my time. And I just give God all the glory. I know say Allah is one.
So when you be member of the CDP party?
The day when I accept them, that was the New Year's Day, the 1st of January.
And why you believe in that party?
Well, the ideology where the leader they preach in terms of the fearing of God. It gets in this country we need a leader where they fear God. And the leader know the work where they do all this while as an activist, they advocate for the less privileged, all anything and today people can meet and they decide for give me the symbol and the kind glamour where before they go Makeni self now people only call me the congratulations all anything. I just believe say that party they stand for the poor people they stand for the marginalized and excluded people It stand for the community people. I mean a community man, I mean a community leader. So if that party that ideology they tell me to me sister, I go na the right church, I go na the right mosque, I sit on the right bench. So I know say that side the way I did so. I fit there no more. And they so for me the clothes I fit there.
So for being mayor of Makeni, what are you plans that you get for this Makeni City?
Well, when I dey become the mayor come March 7, God willing, inshallah, I believe say one of the things for us I dey try forget our municipality house them. the city forget a municipality house where will become a cost recovery basis. And also me 90 days of office, I get forget a social basket fund where I go help for elevate the people in terms of microfinance, where go be a cost basis, because looking at the northern region, people are more business oriented. And also in terms of education, where I get for help them out. All that they get for inside me 90 days plan, I get for concentrate more on the non-formal aspects of education, because within that tech voc aspect there is a disconnection. And because we are not too that strong with the tech voc aspect, we get a lot of foreigner where they come now in country, where they tap into them, then they get big money, they go. So if I strengthen that tech voc aspect, they like they get guaranteed and okay in there, but we get for improve them in a grand style. Then we get forget tailoring, we go be more of fashion and tailoring. We get forget engineering, people woman then get for they do auto mechanic. Then a lot of things then they way for they do.
This all the talk here now, normal talk for politician when they want for dinner position. But how you plan for doing?
Well, to me, I'm not saying a normal talk for politician. Because me, now the vision where I get long since, I plan for doing within 90 days. Now that I tell you, 90 days the social basket fund is gonna be there for the microfinance. Now till where I be done they do for me at 2000 where I enter Makeni in terms of this microfinance, what I say now one of the way that's for elevate poverty, for empower people, and when people are economically strong, then go become polyvalent with any position where they go want within a locality, both national, regional, community, village, and even fakai level. Then we're able for them for let them get position there.
Today now the program as we know from the woman them Maria Bonnet Conte, they get symbol from the CDP party for being mayor on Makeni City, and also Aissata Abdullahi Kamara, we na vice presidential aspirant for the ADP party. If you listen on Good Morning 98.1, and you listen to the program Good Morning Salon. Na Makeni, you listen we also on 98.1 FM. We come over to Kolifa Koroma in Komosna New as they do the second community dialogue forum in 5 districts. Good morning once more, Mr. Kolifa.
Good morning, Asma.
Tell me about the second community dialogue forum, 95 community.
Yes, good morning again, Fambule and Radio Land. Before I start for talk about the community dialogues, I want first of all congratulate the two beautiful ladies that waited to them. They flanked me this morning for the achievement we didn't get for the appointments. I mean, as civil society, we always advocate for let we get more women than politics. Right, so I really congratulate you this morning.
Thank you. Right,
so National Election Watch, as part of the Standing Together for Democracy Consortium, when the DFID, UKA, the sponsor, we go now 5 districts as we second round of we community dialogue meetings. Remember, we began so after the first round, where we don't go now. Then conflict flashpoints. So this time around, on the 3rd of January, we left Freetown and go na Bo district. We go na Kenema. We go na Tonkolili district. We go na Potloko district, and then we go na Cambia district. So hold community dialogue meetings. But by that community dialogue meetings, one thing will really come out very clear. Now one of the major things that we will notice say they cause violence in the communities here. Now the issue of how political parties and they award their symbols to aspirants. Now we see Namagorka, for example, at the Tonkolili district, who say in one of the sides where we hold we community dialogues, we see say the youths within that tongue they don't see, they're kind of very disgruntled. They say the way they award, where the APC party award symbols Namagorka for the local council, you know, they say they're not be glad. They say the people they wouldn't give the symbol, now people they win a stranger, now people they will not know at the community. So they don't sit down now, they did look for the way how they will award the symbols for the parliamentary seats in Namagorka. Then the youths and they say that they get a popular candidate. We didn't call one Mohamed Albert Tarawali. We didn't say that the most popular candidate. But then they look at now, like say, the party no one consult them. They look like say the party no one really give them the symbol. When I then want, then they look say the party want give the symbol to the incumbent member of parliament when a Hassan Priest. We didn't say in a member of the establishment. So for them, Namaboka, the youth don't say, if that happen, then we'll either transfer to NGC or they not vote at all. You know, and we all don't know, we don't see how we people then move from one political party and go to another political party, especially in the strongholds. We see the kind of conflicts with Nandi bring them. But also, when we go Kennyman, we see the same kind of thing. Although they are of a difference, it's a little bit different. For them, they say, when the SLPPB go, when they do the consultations at the community levels, they say they find out, say, after when they don't change the codes of their wards, when they don't change the codes of the constituencies, they find out, say, they remove people then, because when they don't change the codes, you find out, say, some people they now will be the contest like a certain constituency or a certain ward, they don't move go na other side. So some people they feel say, well, then people they're not submitted at their ward, their community, their constituencies. So now they say what thing they happen, then they take people then from their ward and their constituencies away, they submit them, for then they can vote for them. Now their new constituency, outside people are not submit them. So now Kenima, now that's the issue there, you know. But then we also see na Cambia district, where na Medina, we they see say that the youth back say one particular gentleman they call one Mr. Bamoy, where they even say in fact that somebody where they don't that somebody where really they don't don't do a lot of things for people in the community, you know. While the people they say the popular candidate today, but the youth and the belief say they don't want award than this symbol, they want award somebody else. So yanda in fact Medina, what really catch with eye, we interest we more. Now the fact say the youth say they threaten, say if they not give their own popular candidate, then we go around and we burn houses in, you know. But in fact, it's luckily when we hold them community dialogues, we they bring different groups of people them. We they bring people them that win at PWDs, we they bring first-time voters, we they bring attire bases, we they bring the ONS, we they bring the SLP, we they bring the military, you know, PPRC and all them people. So like then we did it. All the people did it. They all in here we people they talk about it and that. So but actually there are awards of symbols here. When we continue with dialogues then now other communities we find out say this don't cause a lot of factions within political parties. You know. Now for example now Mangibure, when we go there, we find out say yanda inside Mangibure then get to what they call APC1 and APC2. And this faction will really come out because of award of symbols. They create a lot of tension, where they lead to a lot of violence. In fact, we get some PWDs, one of the head of the entire base and now a person with disability.
So Mr. Qualifier, somebody don't listen to you the thing that we don't talk this morning, it right. Clearly shows say this one a second round community dialogue, able for bring out so many issues them we get for do with politics and particular on the symbol awarding. And then thing they are so very relevant to the political party them. When I don't try for like talk to them, for let them know some of the issues with them people and them various community there, don't they bring out particularly on the awarding of the local council symbol, what they don't do so far.
Well, Khadija, that's a good question. Like I say, even within the dialogue, we get different groups and they invite. So even the political parties are part of this dialogue forum. So the SFK, even Didi, you know, members of the APC, members of the SLPP, NGC, PMDC, they can get representation there. So when that dialogue here they go on, when people they bring their issues here up, within the dialogue, we got a segment where they ask the people then for recommendations, you know. So by their recommendations, yeah, they bring and come up, and we can even direct and they write there to the members of their party then and then of course, when we come back in Afriton, like when we come back on Sunday, they write a report where we share to political parties and all the other stakeholders then we concern.
Alright, continue for day with Twin. The program, in case you just tune in, the program where they listen a Good Morning Salon, they come to you from the Society for Radio Democracy 98.1 FM, and if they listen to Kolifa Kuma, when an elections project manager, new. Will they bring the program come to you this Tuesday morning? Mina Khadija Bangura.
And then Asma James, they listen we live from 98.1 at Freetown and 98.1 FM Namakeni. We still get with studio guest them. We come over to you, Madam Aissata Abdullahi Kamara, when vice presidential candidates for the ADP party. Now let me look at the difference where you go make now both your party and the country. What's not the difference here?
Yeah, Asma. But putting on the we don't go wrong in this country. But because we just keep silence, and the silence of the one that we know, na in destroy this country. So I think saying at time this way, we not for be silenced anymore. Not to for afraid again. Say the truth and let the devil be ashamed. So I feel saying I want to. If we look at what I feel say I will able, if me Sierra Leoneans then entrust this thing in me say we they can't put you under. No, we see what woman they do, because I feel say if success come into the ADP, I will set record first for saying I mean like the first woman vice president of this country. Then they na big thing first for women there in this country. Now that make a glad for 50-50 women's forum, then the woman group there we stand for say let the advocates say that woman then will get 30% or above representation now governance. What will they see? Now we take simple thing waiting they happen. Asthma, because they educate well, una get that basic foundation. See how una able for excel in life. That's not one thing. For say me as in that capacity, I feel say I will try for facilitate say we get affordable, accessible, and quality education in this country. Because me no go school no side. Na Sierra Leone I go school. Na here I do everything what I get. Up to where I did my MPhil so. Na Sierra Leone I can. If I not been get quality education then, I not feel say I be able for can't step into this shoe with this one. That's not one. For improve the business sector in this country, we know say after agriculture, the biggest form of employment, self-employment in this country na business. But now we look, una say go do research, una look all thousand of them big businesses then. Are they Sierra Leoneans? Now we just watch, go Abacha Street, go Godrich Street, go anything where they say big business. Not to Sierra Leoneans and they did. Then we did on the retail side of business. Sierra Leone and then now we go buy no one bag yabas you can't turn. You go buy 10 bag yabas can put on a shop. Now that kind of business they will deeper. With people like all now, then they hustle no more. Cut here, put here, cut here, put here. We want to change that paradigm there. Because this country then called Sierra Leone, where them born here, not to you say let them born here. Now the destiny, something destined from God. Now you say let them come born here. So this country you for let can pass any other country. You go naturalize in any other country, then they call you say you're a naturalized citizen. You are not a Sierra, you're not a original citizen. So we want to look at this business when before say Sierra Leone will own business. Sierra Leone will be the master the way they hold on to the economy. Because if now we get the economy now we earn, now we the controller, the economy of this country, will go down to foreign agent.
Yes, Madam Kamara, you be explain some of the difference or the value them we can add in the ADP.
Yes. We look at say we get Baku graduates from the university, but when they can waste them. That wastage, we want to see how they able for bridge. Because the idle mind na the workshop of the devil. Even if you don't get everything, get side where you attach, at least for let you continue forget your livelihood, it will bring a problem for you. So they say we get for create that job opportunity there for graduates them, for all sector, disabled woman, everything, the youth, because the youth now the working force. Any country will neglect the youth. The way you shift the thinking of the youth, now that you will get the reaction. When you shift them, say, now for be idle, that the country they suffer economically. You look at the mining policies then at this country, they are not in the interest of Sierra Leoneans there. Sierra Leone know the benefits we the ordinary people they know the benefit from wetin dey come from the mining policies there because they know the advantage. Now the advantage of few people there and foreigners then dey. So we want to take the mining policies say them and their mining policies then we get for look at them. We can't put on a table say no. We want mining policies the way before say get for help the country. We look at the civil service. The civil service now one side way before say we just get for strengthening. We all know say most of the civil servants there. Pass them just do corruption because if you live merely on waiting you they take home, it's not even enough for you for let you they 1 week you use them 1 week. If they pay you the highest they will pay teacher now 1 million highest what's the highest now 1,230,000 the highest. Now tell me with the cost of living that teacher if you get 3 people they will get for good school that 1,300,000 go able to take another more. Let us be realistic. Why would they do something? Let us not just take the make and leap. Let we say the truth because now that truth they make. We want to look at the if you look at the police, we they get information every report they say the police are the most corrupt. Why the police corrupt? If you they go give person 800, you get it's not realistic. So we want to change that paradigm day. That civil service day. We want to change our lane before say we possibly day. You know say they work for your country. You know they work for yourself. So we go pay you adequately. Waiting go suit you. When before say corruption we go make them because you go talk about corruption. But if the person not get an waiting they eat, the corruption will continue. Right. So we want to say we change that in the and we want to say the last thing say the security in this country we see say in threatening. And because the security threatening, because the ills them, the thing that will be happen will bring on the war. We they see signs of them now. So we want to stop them. Say never again. We don't want war. Because the people the way you ask them, they don't want to go to war. But they are suffering. And when you push somebody at the wall, it will must react. Because we're reaching at the end point, you know, get any other thing. So we want to say the tendencies then of how people will become so aggrieved that then will turn into something negative. We want for cut and down. We want to say with national and international security, we're going for maintenance. I feel the way we do that, Sierra Leone will begin for ahead.
All right, we'll come back to you, Madam Aissata Abdoulaye Kamara. Then we come also to Madam Yabonet Conte. Before you be the youth symbol for the mayor for CDP, you be also one symbol under the All People's Congress Party. So now because you not been get at that time, make you move over to the CDP.
No, well, I'm not gonna say now because of that. Because that thing they be done. Now me, not to me be opt. Now me daddy they meet say that they pay me daddy in debt. So me daddy now me he call. Say let I go because now me na in PQ no say a vocal and I get all it takes. But when they go disappoint me daddy, me go independent. And when I go independent, then call me, the president call me, say la stoop down, la left, la look up to rank, I stoop down, I left, I look up to rank. But this time around, it is the people's power. The people's power come in for me. And as an advocate, where I don't do a lot within the municipality and even salon, which I don't do as a human rights defender, I know say a lot more need to be done in terms of my political career. When I don't come into the central politics, so you go see say difference get for change a lot of bylaws then get for there for help elevate Makeni for shape the rule of law and also development aspects.
Makeni, not to secrecy and be very stronghold of the APC. How popular are you there for make you get this symbol for being mayor and win that city?
Makeni, that talk there na then talk. Me they take and say na cosmetic talks, right? So long we not make a hyper over the issue. If me no say a popular, not to the party they sell me, a popular pass even the current mayor where they get it. Because na the party sell them. Me don't teach na that school. I don't teach there for 3 good years. I teach St. Francis, I teach Benevolent. Then I don't do free classes there where they call for them picking. Say they go sit back and they pull and clear one. They know me for that. Then apart of that, I mean, I'm the first woman where can go a human rights organization from me at 2000 to present dates, right? And I don't help them with microcredits. I don't build a bakery now and get classic where you go Makeni. They champ fine bread now, machine bread. That now where they give them a livelihood economic empowerment. You understand? Eh? And to God be the glory. Allah, inshallah, mashallah. Me no say we they make a way na Makeni town.
Yeah, but just like what you say, some people don't know you, they know you for your advocacy. You don't they talk for human rights issues and particularly women them for letting get their own rights. now you dey go into politics. Whose platform will you get for use for ensure say you win the mayor seat na Makeni?
The platform I get for use na both the platform of the women, the platform of the youths. Because during my tenure of advocacy, and even while they go na the council, I dey answer the call of my people. Now for I go into central politics for make sure say I make the difference, right? And they see me say me na a force for reckon with. The platform where I dey use, the woman they all then give me their support. The youth they all, even the day where I enter Makeni, as they see me, so they just come up with dance.
So
from nowhere.
You get certain issues them will be interested in whilst you advocate for women them. If you happen to be the next mayor of Makeni City, how you go push their issues there where you tell me into advocacy, you don't need to talk for let women them get? Well,
like when my colleague then don't they where they in charge of the organization where I left, when I was Siga, the empowerment of women them. Governance issue the way they know me say now stand for in terms of governance, livelihood, empowerment, and no say the issue and then they continue because the world as a whole is in commerce and Makeni, to be specific, is a business oriented institution and country, community, village. I believe say and they put more emphasis on the business aspect because when somebody economically empower, it will able to send picking go school, it will become law abiding, and not go do violence, it will able rest in mind free for do other thing, it go feed itself, it respect itself. So I feel say a lot more need to be done in terms of women's empowerment, youth empowerment, and even the if or she where we don't begin for campaign for. We bring man them back on board for let them know say women and partners in development.
You think so you go win that election?
They win and sure.
Alright, continue for the between at the studios. Briefly come over to Mr. Khalifa. Now let me look at the engagements here on Akindo. One go and say now just one set of group on Akindo try for talk to, not the community as a whole. We make some man go say we don't want this person, now this person one. Nobody no go ever want one person or the other person. So who's how like you pick the one them where they go take part like this one a dialogue for?
Yes, as Maleka say, we don't know who that they support who that, and not to that we interest. We don't know who that they support who that. We just get a list of groups we cut across the community. Like I say, we invite first time voters. We invite different youth groups. We invite the attire bases. Would they invite the Bike Riders Union? Would they invite the PPRC, ONS, NEC? Would they even invite the youth and the community? But now they say that groups them would they invite. When they invite individuals, yes, there are different groups them. So like I tell you, like a Bike Riders, so they want that group land the way kind of we all know say a very large group land the Bike Riders any side you go in this country. Attire base. Remember, I said then dialogues here. We really hold them for marginalized groups. People them way they get issues. They want vent their issues here, but most of the time they don't get the forum for vent their issues here. And most of the time, now then youths here, now then groups here, they can use for perpetrate violence. And most of the time, now then youths here and then groups here, now they can suffer when violence occur. So now that make we look at them groups and they. Like I say, we don't know, and we no one know what's in the interest in terms of politics. We just get like a representation of the community.
When we don't do full dialogue session, when I don't do this other one, whose difference did they make?
Oh well, that's a very good question, Asma. One of the things that we come out very clearly by we first dialogue session, when we give you recommendations, remember say new na member of the Elections Basket Fund Steering Committee. We na member of PPLC, that's a political party liaisons committee. So what do we do after the first round of dialogue? We make recommendations. One of the recommendations we will make, where will be they go around, people then be raised an issue, say, the secret societies, then they cause a lot of problems. They say secret societies, then they use them for intimidate, especially female candidates when they go out of the communities. So that they come out clearly across the districts where we go during the first dialogue. So we come out, and part of the recommendations during the dialogues and the people then be say they be want a temporal ban on secret societies activities until after elections. We profile that recommendation there to the appropriate authorities, the ONS, where the ONS hierarchy really be assuring, say then they take that recommendation to the National Security Meeting, where the president set the chair and can go. Just soon after that, we agree the announcement of the ban of all activities of secret societies. Another thing that happened was one of the dialogue we hold in the Potloko district, where NEC with the people then the same, now the Potoke section in the Potloko district, they say after the redistricting and the de-amalgamation, some people then they will then be don't divide. Certain people then they all be registered at one center. But now some they don't send and go na 075, constituency 075, and then some they go na 069. So they say that they don't cause problem for them. And in fact, the one they waiting at 069, the ID card na 075 did it. So that will be issue. So we can't bring that recommendation to NEC. NEC immediately go to the community, hold community dialogues with the people then, explain to them, say they don't hear them, they concern, and they don't tell them, say, then go withdraw their ID cards then. We then we get them mistakes in it and give them new ID cards. And in fact, they don't even establish a new center for them people then so that they go vote like the constituency where they find themselves right now.
Interesting times ahead. We continue with the program. Good morning, Salon, when they come to you from 19.1 FM. When I don't send on a text message, concerns, questions, we will come ask the studio guest them. Khadija, again?
Yeah, sure. We get plenty message here. We don't come from with Facebook page and we text line. The first one we I will start for you this morning. They say women are focused and passionate to achieve good goals, so we highly support the women aspiring for these positions.
This one say the award of symbols. The award of symbols seems to be interesting this time around. He say the indigents and the party hope they will try to ratify come the awarding of MP symbols.
This other one from Samuel God's Favor Juju Kene, our Facebook page. They say, good morning, Radio D. Madame Yabonet, you said the president asked you to stoop down and look up to him. Why didn't you wait and do what he said?
More message. This one says, still new. Now, danger reports una can pull, so una can engage government on some of these recommendations before you come on air.
This one from Desmond Soil, our Facebook page, they say, Madam Mayor, how do you manage your political life with your social life, i.e. you are a... Alright,
we continue with the program. This other message says, thank you, Radio D. This is why I like to listen to your program. You give opportunity to all the sides, and kudos to the women in the studios. Madam Kamara sounds very, very good. I am proud of you. I was once your student at the annual school. Go ahead, madam. I'll surely vote for the ADP.
This one they say, Madam Aspirant, how do you intend to help Sierra Leonean businessmen to control the business sector from foreigners?
More message you don't come inside the program. Good morning, Salon. He say, Mr. New, please tell me who. He said, just as the question Asma asked, he said, who do you bring to these forums? Because as you know, Sierra Leoneans get in Tijan Kama's word by that. If you ask me, I get to the candidate. Calling names on the program this morning looks dangerous. What if the party not give symbol to them people in there?
This one from Ahmed Maki on our Facebook page, they say, Madam Kamara made a very good point. Our government never truly focus on empower its citizens to become big business people. Our commercial economy is in the hands of foreigners, while our sister country like Guinea, Senegal, Ghana, Gambia, etc., their economy is more locally based. Make easy for local Sierra Leoneans to import business. Empower our locals, please.
More message we don't come on the program. He said, I disagree with Madam Aisata that increasing salaries will help cut corruption. The focus should be on changing the mindset, attitudes, modeling behavior, and decisive leadership.
This one from Khadija Bangura on our Facebook page. They say the security is not threatened in any way, and anybody who threatens the security of our country will be severely dealt with by the state.
Good morning, 98.1 for me. I don't see the ADP get residential and vice residential material. So I only the person with administrative experience and international touch from King Namakini.
From particular high on Facebook page, they say, Madam Aissata, how do you expect to achieve all these plans? Where will the funds come from to ensure that the Sierra Leonean handle big business rather than retailing?
Alright, somebody they say, can Mr. Khalifa send his number, please?
This other one, we don't come now Facebook page, they say, is this the same Yabonet that was advocating for lesbianism?
No message, we don't come on the program this morning. This one said the ADP lady sounds very strong. I will support you, madam. Give women opportunity this time around. And thank you, Mr. Kamai Mamasai, for believing in women.
This other one said, Lady D, I am impressed with the way the two ladies have performed this morning in this forum, and it really tells women can do well if they are given the chance. Bravo to the two new political parties for achieving this stance. Congratulations to the ladies and wish you well.
More message, we don't come inside the program. This other message say, I hear your last message, Khadija. Does that really matter? Madam Yabonet, go ahead and win the seat to be a mayor in Makini.
This one from Melvin Max content on Facebook page, they say 2018 general elections, I stand with all the female politicians in Sierra Leone.
Alright, we come over to the studio guest then to respond to the messages. I will start with you, Madam Yabonet.
Yes, I have to say thank to everybody who send the message. The one where they talk say, me talk say, President say, Fola wait, why I no wait? I don't wait for 10 years. If I dey continue for wait, now I mean at 41 years, I can't wait again for other 5 years again or other 10 years again. I can't go down 51 years. How long continue for wait? No, but I think say I've seen the lights na the tunnel, and that is only Honorable Alhaji Musa Tarawale. Allah is one. Inshallah, Mashallah. Then again, the other one talk say back say how me go manage my political life and my social life. My political life now enter into Ram, and I know say I well grown with my social life. My social life has always been very moderate, very careful, very peaceful. I know they drink, I know they smoke, I know they go club. I always then I also marry with my computer. I get more time with my work and my studies. Up to now I did not college back at the land book. So let you know say my social life in model, because from the background where I come out from a well-disciplined home. So I'm not able to use to clubbish, even when I didn't collect I come out there. And no one day you hear me say I go dance. And today I don't like dance.
Alright, Mr. Khalifa.
Yes, somebody they ask how we they really get to participate. Like I say, I be don't try for answer. We ask that question. We community dialogues and they bring together at least 50 participants across the community. In fact, them dialogues and they can so engaging, not to like say now one set of people then or like all they think one way. They all get diverse views. You know, in most of the cases, they all get different political parties that they represent that in dialogues and they. So like not to like one set of people that they bring come. Like I say, at least 50 participants from diverse groups. You know, and like this particular thing, I know say now give me like a couple of more minutes for that just highlight some of the other issues that we think say are burning issues then. You know, I know say we don't get much time. Asma, I know say I don't get much time, but these are things that we really for if we not address them, then we'll unblock the elections. You know, so Allah just run through this. They are so quick, they are big. One issue they na Konimaka Chiefdom na the Cambia district. We 500 Fulamanden when are registered voters they don't get another chiefdom. They right now so they talk. Now the paramount chief said they for left the chiefdom. There is a fracas between the Fullers you know, with the cattle rearers and some farmers you know, so some kind of thing happen. But then people don't say they left, and these are people they wouldn't say don't they in that community for like 100 years. These are not foreigners. These are Sierra Leoneans. and these are registered voters, about 500 registered voters. That means we concern, and this thing don't cause the burning of 74 farmhouses. Now that place, it's a serious issue and an issue waiting for address. As we talk right now. Another thing we really big we think say for bring come out now the issue of the deception now will happen in party colors. It become out clearly in Abo district and Kenema district that the NGC they use the predominant colors of other political parties. So for example, in Abo district they say the NGC can use green. Where they no say SPP. Then they say SPP na Boto na is stronghold of SPP. They say that they deceive people then, and then sometimes something will happen, they will defeat na SPP then do them. In fact, the PPRC representative come out there and tell we say the SPP lodged a formal complaint and they kept samples of caps, green SPP cap, where the NGC take the sticker, they cover the SPP the logo. That one day na recipe for violence. They highlighting kind of thing. The partisan nature of traditional leaders, they always talk and they always come out in every engagement. They come out, with traditional leaders and they involve too much for politics. The key examples are different side them, and we want to let them address that kind of thing. They say they cause a lot of problem. But one more thing, the secret societies, we don't say they don't ban them, but we still say the ban no effective. We don't, when we go around, even when a Podloko district, inside Podloko town, we see Oje de Komot. In fact, when they be welcome a particular aspirant, we see them pull Oje. The next day, they welcome another aspirant of another political party, we see them pull Oje. So the people then they even say, then they ask government for let them really enforce that ban of secret societies because it's a serious problem.
Okay, continue for the between the studios. Madam, come on. You get text messages every time.
Yes. The post we talk for say not to salary, they make clear people corrupt. But instead of no somebody they talk not correct because even when the ABC become the attitudinal and behavioral change, become for can change people in mind. They change somebody mindset. Where the problem where you don't identify, you don't try for solve them. So salary na one factor. Enough to say anybody you get the correct amount of money where say you will able for cater for you expense within the family, you will be corrupt. Past no it be say somebody way greedy or somebody way just want to reap this country. So salary na factor. He say the security, just like what Mr. Kogoma don't talk. He say the security not threatening. And not just done the talk now. Somebody don't talk and say you they go to get 500 people within you a community where they don't already there. You waiting a particular ethnic group, which is very very wrong. Now this thing we try for talk for say this violence we don't want them because if you go get one particular ethnic group from area outside they don't do it's totally wrong. Outside they go. Who's part of Sierra Leone where they will go adjust themselves again. We're not to crisis, not to war. That look at what the cliques that they do. We don't see how governments they encourage the cliques there. Instead of they handle them the right way, when before say they use the law for enforce them, they're not the one. Instead then they rub body skill with them, then they resonate with them. Meaning that they tell people them for say, wait they do, now the correct thing, and which of course now to the disadvantage of Sierra Leone. You say with them you want leader we get we not get administrative skill and international leadership. I don't know what he mean. Let the person go back now Madagascar. The former president now ice cream in the cell. It's not about you working any big side. Now waiting you get, waiting there in you. Now make you leader. Not to waiting decide the way you don't go. No, I'm not peaceful because if you're at the UN, Mrs. don't do it because I did in New York. I work now ECOSOC. I be there in a gas section. So not to international. What do? Wait, I don't teach Boku. The last one, they say somebody asked say the people how me going for do for make Sierra Leone and come up and retake politics. Boku they now wait time know it. Boku thing and just reverse waiting they happen now. Now the mirror image of waiting they happen now. Just send them back to Sierra Leone. Then you go see if Sierra Leone and they're not capable.
Okay, so we get this issue where politicians they come and talk on a plan thing. One area where we not done yet. Politicians really they hit on now the issue of the Auditor General's report where that they get serious issue. And we also, they can hand over documents give you, because you know one leader right now from BAN and the partner them for leader them for the watch the recommendation them from the Auditor General's report. As leader and vice presidential aspirants, how una hope for make changes, or what una hope for do with the recommendation them from the Auditor General's report?
And as far I feel say now one thing and the way before say you see political parties there they can, because Sierra Leoneans we are very clever people there. But the leadership they will be get feel say because then they talk yonder we they sleep. The one way they don't, where they sleep can down, we don't understand nothing. One thing, it is not just about the Auditor General's report. What about the TRC recommendation then? If any government where they work in the interest of in people them, in the interest of the people we vote are in, because power not to you get now the people and give you the power. You just not servant, you act on waiting the people about. So that is our problem. If we been get a very serious government, even when that the Auditor General's report, I feel say if na be a very wise government we get, before don't know for say, these are all where we made mistakes. Right. These then our recommendation. For all and fine, where we come, that Auditor General's report today, we go implement waiting day because that is what the people want. Right, that is the wish of the people.
Okay, Madam Kamara, continue for the between the program. Mr. Khalifa will wrap up the program now. From this owner's second round community dialogue, you don't explain so many issues them we don't commodate, and some of the issues there has to get a lot for do with violence na the elections. As an AMB, what you think say if political party not try for address the issue there, what thing it go do to with democracy?
Well, of course, like we don't mention here, one of the major things then are the award of symbols. So I think say political parties, as part of the recommendations where the people then self-tell we that they for really consider the people then choice. They for go down to the people then, ask them who then are the popular candidates, because people then say, as a matter of fact, now then get for vote. So you know the people they what they want, and then they forgive symbols, so they go vote for them. So I think say if they're able take that route today, they go able to avert a lot of violence in the communities here. Because we know so when you don't give the popular candidate, then they can lead to somebody cause carpet, go other side, or center you go independent, then it will bring that kind of tension in the community.
Alright, Yabonet, quickly, what you go left with the people that they listen to in Amakeni now?
I want me people in Amakeni do allow us see all reason for allowing us support Mary Yabonet contest for the mayorship Makeni City Council and voting Honorable Alhaji Musa Tarawali for the president of Sierra Leone under the CDP party. The people in there, una look what I don't do. This is the time. Una look there.
Thank you, Madam Aissatou Kamara. So far, where they listen to the political discussion, where they go around, plenty of people understand say the March 7 election get for be very crucial because we don't get new political parties, they don't emerge, the incumbents they don't prepare for retain the presidency. Now they come as a woman, you don't be running mate to the ADP party. What say you feel saying that you base where you go hold on to for ensure say when I win the election?
I think say Sierra Leone they know good thing and they know bad thing. And Sierra Leone they know for say if the people that we don't suffer more in this country, now woman they. Now woman they, if you look at statistics, one thing where this country now even they think about now the issue of single parenting. When the war come, most men then they die because now they go first the war that they come. So they left boku woman the way with picking the way they people in this. Then woman and they suffer. So if the people of Sierra Leone where they go do the citizen manifesto, then they pray say let a political party get woman because now woman go listen to them cry. Now woman know the pain where woman they cry. Now it don't left to now. This now the test way we don't give una say. Look at the woman person where they look at the woman where they put. Look at me, I'm not ever thief. Me professional be they do. I was a teacher. So me teacher not ever thief. I not ever ask school picking say can give me five block for can mark paper. I feel to say that human resource why I don't build down there. I feel say the payment will come because I don't get 23 years now the teaching field. And I think say I don't give out my best. Even into the business sector where it be say even me professional home economics. I can be a business person, I can be a housewife, I can be anything because me area of specialty now more on anything than they. So even at the business grassroots, you go, you meet me at Dove Court. even when me pick it, they get practical. I mean, they go off court, and I dey sell. Now off court I dey sell. Now for be what I dey sell. I deal with the people there. So me not to that kind of woman when before say I put myself right up as if I'm me na aristo. Me not to aristo. Me I deal with the people, and because the one the way they don't, now then they suffer. Let them just give me that chance. They say, let them see what woman can do. And I feel to say, if they give me that chance, they by the grace of God, then self go know for say me go create this forum when before say next election. We go see say we go get more than 80% women in a parliament because of what we go do as a government. Me as a woman, what I go do. People ain't go know for say where you put woman out, any side business of trust, any side when before say now action they want, now result they want, woman they perform better. Right. I thank you all una wey dey be una do ya, una vote for the ADP and una vote because me na true woman. What's a woman? Yes, me na true woman and I know for say me record. In terms of anything when are deceitfulness, the record stands straight.
Thank you very much.
Unfortunately for me this morning, Mrs. Kamara, then Miss Abdullah teach me. I think I'll be there from 1. So that my teacher still also. Well, thank you very much this morning and congratulations to the two women them who get different symbol in their party. Aissatou Abdullahi Kamara, we na vice presidential candidate na the ADP party. And Madam Maria Bonnet Conte, mayor of we get symbol for mayor na the Makini City Council. Thank you very much, and also Mr. Khalifa Kurma from National Elections Watch. They just done the second community dialogue forum, and it gets very important and serious recommendation them where they make way from time to time. We will let the public know some of their recommendations.